The variable whose measurement is done in terms of the weight, height or the length, these are classified as. So which variable? So correct option C, the discrete variable, continuous variable, the attribute variable or the discontinuous variable. So correct option here is the continuous variable. So these are the variable which are in terms of numbers, numericals or the fraction which we can count, right? So correct option will be second option. So variable, the like a weight, height, length can take infinite number of values of the within range. It may not take distinct value, so they are continuous type of variable. Okay, so correct option will be option number 2. In if in a distribution median 29, arithmetic mean is 37, the mode is. So basically they have given the median, mean and they are asking for the mode, right? So we have the formula. What? So mode is nothing but what? It is the 3 times of the median minus 2 times of the mean. Okay, simply put the value 3 into what is the median they have given? Median is 29 minus 2 into what is the mean they have given? Mean they have given 37. Simply solve, you will get 13 as the option. Okay, so second is your correct option which you have to mark. Okay, remember the formula. What? The mode is nothing but 3 times of the median minus 2 times of the mean. Okay, remember the formula. Okay, now important thing you remember. What do you mean by the mean? See, mean means simply average. In simple way, what is the mean? Mean is nothing but the average simply. Okay, what is the median? Median is what? It is the middle number. It is the middle value. It is the middle value. For example, see here 131836133367. So what is the middle value? See, order the set of number, the median is the middle number. Median is, for example, see here 1 2 3 4 5. What is the middle value? Middle value is 3. So 3 will be your median, right? If for what to find the median, we have to arrange the numbers in the increasing order. For example, if numbers are like 1 2 3 4 5 6, what is the middle value? 3 and 4. So middle value will be 3.5. Okay, so it will be your median. Okay, very easy. Now see, what is the mode? Mode is the most common or most repeated number. So here you can see what is the mode? 3 appeared 2 times, so you can say 3 will be your mode, right? Very easy. Now see, next question, the data of some worker salary is given. This is the data given of salary of worker. If desired number of class interval is 10, what is the width of the class? Now see, what they have given. They have given the class interval is 10 and we have to find the width. Okay, so for that purpose we have the formula. Class width is nothing but the upper class limit minus lower class limit divided by number of the intervals. Okay, so what is upper class limit? See, you can check out here. These are the classes. What is upper? Highest 3000 is the highest. Okay. What is the lowest? You can see 2000 is the lowest. Okay, so upper is 3000 minus lower is 2000 divided by number of the number of intervals. So number of class intervals are 10. Okay, so here it will be 1000 upon 10, it will be 100. Okay, so 100 will be your answer. Okay, so option number first is correct. Very easy, right? See, the largest and the smallest value of the data are 60 and 40 respectively. That means upper and lower class limit is given. Desired class interval is the desired number of class intervals are 5. We have to find the width. It's very easy. Upper minus lower upon number of class interval simply. So 60 minus 40 upon 5. So it will be 20 upon 5. So answer will be 4. Okay. So C option is correct. Very easy, right? Next, the class interval where upper and the lower limit are also in the class interval is called as when the upper and lower both are in the class, it is called as the inclusive. If they are out of the class, it will be exclusive. Okay, so here they are asking in the class, so correct option will be 5B, in the inclusive type. Okay, now see next question. The type of a cumulative frequency where frequency are added starting from highest class to the lowest class is called as. So when frequencies are added from highest class to lowest class, it is called as the greater than cumulative frequency. Frequency are subtracted, it is called as the less than. Okay, so always remember this is see, we are following this in solving the numerical. Okay, so they have asked the question based on how you solve the numerical, like that. Okay, so remember, when frequencies are added, it will be greater than the cumulative frequency. See, the data classification which is based on the variable like demand, supply, height and weight, these are called as, so see simply this is qualitative data, quantitative data, time series data or the discrete data. So obviously it is a quantitative data where we can manage the quantity, we can measure the quantity. Next question, the data which is classified or arranged by their time of occurrence, for example year, month, weeks, day. So when time is involved or some chronology is involved, it is called as the time series data or also called as the historical data. Okay, so option number D you have to mark. Okay, the difference between the parameter and the statistic is, what is the difference between parameter? See, parameter is always for the population. Population means what? All the data, and statistics is used for the sample, means sample of the data. Okay, very easy. Now see, we have to find correct way. See, parameter is the characteristics of a sample, while statistics is the characteristics of population. So it is wrong. Parameter is for the population and vice versa. Okay, it is wrong statement. Parameter is not for the sample, parameter is for the population. Okay, parameter is known and fixed, while statistics is used to estimate the unknown value. So it is also the wrong statement. We have to find the difference, right? So parameter is unknown characteristics of the population, while statistics is the derived from sample to estimate the unknown characteristics. So it is the most accurate. Parameter is for a population which is unknown, right? But statistics is derived from the sample, which is the to estimate the unknown characteristics. Okay, so third will be your correct option. Most accurate is third. Okay, a parameter and statistics both refer numerical value calculated from the sample is a wrong statement. Okay, always remember simple thing. Parameter is for the population, sample is for the statistics is for the sample. In that way you can easily correlate and remember. Okay, so third will be correct option. Parameter is used for the population and the parameter is generally the unknown value. The statistics is used for the sample and statistic quantity or the characteristic derived from the sample. Okay, so very easy to remember also. Now next question, see the data set of 500 observation, there are 100 are classified as type A. Okay, there are 500 total. Okay, 100 are classified as a type A, 300 are classified as a type B, then rest are type C. So how many remaining? Only 100 is remaining, will be type C. Okay, very easy question, nothing to explain, right? See next question, which of the following are a type of the data based on their characteristics? So we have to find the types of the data. Okay, now see for ninth question, see here type of the data based on the characteristics. See, variates and the parameter, attributes and the variates. Attributes and the variate is the correct option. Sample and the population, these are not type. Parameter and statistics is not type. Okay, we are talking about the type of the data of based on the characteristics. So attributes and the variates. So what is the variates? See, variates are the value in the number of variables. Remember, what is the variable and the variates? Variate, these are the numbers, these are the numerical value. Variate means numerical value of the variable. Variates are the characteristics that can be expressed in numerical term. Attributes are the characteristics, but they cannot be expressed into numerical form. Okay, so 9, second option you have to mark. See, the discrete and the continuous variable, these are the type of, some are discrete variable, some are continuous. See, how to identify? See, these are the discrete variable and these are the continuous variable. Okay, in that way you can compare. Okay, now see, these are the type of what? So these are the type of the variates. Some variates can be discrete, some variate can be continuous. Okay, so fourth is the correct option. So see here, discrete variable take distinct or the countable value, right? And continuous variable, they can give you the range. It can be integral or the fractional number. Okay, for example, what is the general temperature? Temperature ranges from 0 degree to maximum say 45 degree into the summer, right? So these are not, this is the continuous variable giving some range, right, which can be fractional. Okay, very easy. Now see, the ultimate goal of a statistical analysis is what? Ultimate goal of statistical analysis is, see, collect exclusive data set, draw relevant conclusion, establish the caution and validate existing theory. So most accurate here, we have to draw the conclusion, that's why we are studying the data. Okay, so second is the accurate. See, The final stage in the statistical analysis is the interpretation of the data. So obviously, to conclude something from the available data, we are using the statistical analysis. Okay, second is the most accurate. See, the purpose of using the statistics in the statistical analysis is why we are using statistics. See here, replace the need for a parameter entirely, give exact value of all the observation, estimate unknown parameter from the population. Okay, so most accurate will be third. Study individual observation in details. We cannot study the individual observation in detail, remember, always remember. Okay, so replace the need of parameter entirely. No, we cannot replace the parameter. Give exact value, we cannot get the exact value, right? So we are able to estimate only the unknown parameter of the population, okay, using the statistics. The application of the Bayesian decision theory BDT in business help in. So for what is the purpose of the Bayesian theory? Simply see, estimating the market demand wrong, right? Selecting the optimal decision, then predicting the final financial crisis, evaluating the alternative actions payoff, right? So it is correct. So 2 and 4. Okay, so 2 means third option you have to mark. See, the Bayesian decision theory enables businesses to select the optimal decision and directly evaluate the payoff for each alternative course of action. Means how, when we can close that action is called as the payoff of action. Okay, so it is nothing to explain here, because you have to remember. See, always remember, optimal decisions, selecting the optimal decision is the main purpose of the Bayesian decision theory. The significance of the statistics in the government and the private organization is primarily due to its ability. Why we are using the statistics in government and the private organization? Simply see here, predict future trend, analyze and interpret the data is the basic meaning of statistics. Okay, so second is the correct option. Implement the policy changes, enhance public reaction. Okay, nothing. Okay, so only analyze and interpret the data, we are using the statistics. See, the continuous variable are used to represent. So continuous variable are used to represent what? Countable and distinct value, qualitative characteristics, any value within given range. So this continuous means like this, continuous. So these are like a wave like a structure. So any value given within the range, any value given within range, so it is called as the continuous variable. Okay, so third is the correct option. Regarding the application of statistics, the incorrect which we have to find. See, they help in studying the relationship between the two or more variable. Correct, it is correct. They are applied to individual value for detailed analysis. Okay, so remember, statistics cannot be applied for the individual value. They facilitate simplification of a complex data. They are used in forecasting and policy formation. It is correct. Okay, so most important you to remember that statistics cannot be applied for the individual data. Statistical methods are designed to analyze aggregate data, that is a big data. Okay, not the individual data. See, the historical development of statistics was significantly influenced by. Okay, now see, the need for administrative data by the king, it was history, it is correct. The academic definition by Professor Actonwell, it is also correct. The expansion into the various field beyond its politics, it is correct. Okay, the exclusive in the state revenue calculation, not exclusively. Okay, it is wrong. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 can easily mark. Okay, so this is part given in the book as a historical part. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 is the correct. First option you have to mark. Statistics involved from the tools used by the king for collecting the administrative data to a subject matter defined academically by Professor Actonwell. And remember, the Professor Actonwell coined the term statistics also. Okay, remember one additional MCQ. Okay, eventually broadening its application across multiple field beyond the politics. See, which of the following are true regarding the merits of statistics? We have to find the true. Okay, now see here, they provide exact outcome for individual observation. They are not applicable for the individual. Okay, and they are not providing exact outcome also, it is a wrong statement. They simplify the complex data for better understanding. True. They enable comparison through the statistical techniques. True. They assist in the formation and the forecasting of the policy and outcome. It is true. Okay, so 2, 3, 4. Where? So option number 4 you have to mark, which is the most accurate. See, in the context of the business and the economics, the application of statistics is crucial for. So for what in the with respect to the business and economics, why it is crucial? Okay, now see, developing the market strategy. See, the statistics is not used to develop the market strategy. First, remember, forecasting the economic trend. Yes, it is used for the forecasting purpose. Selecting the optimal business decision. Bayesian theory, it is correct. Analyzing the consumer behavior, it is also correct. Okay, so we can say the fourth option you can easily able to get. Why we can analyze the consumer behavior? See, based on the data. For example, in July, what is consumption? What is in June, what is consumption? What in August, what is consumption? So in that way, you can able to get the numbers. You can able to draw the conclusion. Okay. For example, in previous March, what is our recovery? In next March, what we will do the recovery possibly. Okay, based on that Y to Y basis. Okay, that's why you can say analyzing the consumer behavior. Okay, fourth option is the correct. See, statistical analysis in the banking industry is significant for why we are using statistics in the banking industry. Okay, now see here, determining the interest rate, yes, we can use it. Formulating the credit policy, we can use it. Predicting the economic downturn, we cannot use it. Assessing the customer satisfaction, we can use it. Okay, so we can see basically 1, 2 and 4. So fourth option can be most accurate. See, the limitation of statistics include, what is the limitation of statistics? See, when we talk about the limitation, see here, their application to qualitative data, their application to the qualitative data, their inability to deal with the individual observation, it is correct. That they are, then the delivery of a result that are true on average basis, and the exactness in handling the large number of observations. So these are the limitation which statistics cannot do, right? Statistics is not able to deal with the individual data. They are not able to deliver the true on average basis, and they are obviously not dealing a large number of observations. Because sample where statistics is for samples, right? So 2, 3, 4. Okay, so where is 2, 3, 4? For number question number 21, 2 and 3 is correct. Okay, so fourth is their exactness in handling large number of observation. Okay, so it is not limitation, it is the advantage. Okay, we are talking about the limitation, so 2 and 3 only. Okay, so option number 2 is most accurate. Okay, see, the statistics faces a limitation, for example, inability to deal with the individual observation. First, it is very much common, statistics is not applicable for the individual observation, and their tendency to provide results that are true only on average basis. Okay, and they are whatever the result they are providing. See, whenever we deal with the statistics, we always calculate the mean, means what, the average basis we are calculating. Okay, so these are the limitations. Okay, concerning the limitations of the statistics, which of the following statement is true? We have to identify the true statement. Okay, now see here, they provide detailed insight for the individual cases, individual data, it is not applicable, right? They cannot apply to the qualitative or numerical data. We have to identify the true statement. Okay, so see here, they always yield unbiased result regardless of the data collection process. It is also not a true. They give a result that are generally true on average basis. It is a true statement, right? So we have to identify the true statement basically. See, correct option they have given is 3. Option number 2, see, they cannot be applied qualitative or non-numerical data. So obviously numbers are needed. Now when you talk about statistics, numbers are needed. So second is the correct option. Okay, now next is what, they give result that are generally true on average basis. It is also true statement. It is only applicable, just we have seen that it is applicable only for the mean averages, right? So 2 and 4, they provide detailed insight into the individual case. It is not applicable for the individual cases. Always yield unbiased result regardless of the data collection. If data collection is wrong, how they can give the good result? So data collection is wrong, the result can be biased. Okay, so third option is the most accurate. See, which of the following statement correctly describe the challenges or demerit of using the statistical method? So we have to identify the demerits of the statistical method. Okay, now see here, see, statistics can always accurately predict the individual behavior, not applicable for the individual behavior. Statistics can be biased due to the improper data collection. It is true, it can be biased. Statistics effectively analyzes both qualitative and quantitative data, not. Conclusions are exact to all type of data, not. Okay, so second is the challenging, you can say the demerit. Okay, one of the demerit of statistical method is the result can be biased if the data is not properly collected. Okay, very easy. See, some numerical. See, study the following table and answer the following question. Okay, now see, so this is the given data and they are asking what is the frequency to the class interval 30,000 to 40,000. Okay, that means for this class we have to identify the frequency. Okay, it is very easy. See here the solution part. See, first we will find the groups. We will make the interval first, like 0 to 10,000, then 10,000 to 20,000, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. Okay, then we have to identify the number of person in that group. See, 0 to 10,000, how many? 51 minus 48. Oh, it will be 3. For now, for this interval 10 to 20, difference between this will be the number of person. For this 37 minus 25, for this 25 minus 19, for this 19 minus 9. Okay, and for rest it is a 9. Okay, more than 50,000 it is a 9. Okay, so this is what we have to identify. The first we will make the group, and we will make the we will calculate the frequency, that is the number of person. Okay, now they are asking the frequency with respect to the 30,000 to 40,000. So you can easily say it is 6. Okay, see, sometimes you orally even just to see the question you can mark if you know the concept. Okay, see, for example, see what they have given. They are asking 30,000 to 40,000. Simply 25 minus 19 you can easily get. It is what? It is 25 minus 19. So 6 will be your answer. Okay, fourth option you have to mark. Very easy, you can easily calculate. See, study the following table. The frequency density we have to identify for the class 30 to 40. Okay, for 30 to 40 we have to identify the frequency density. Now again it is very easy. First what we will do, we will identify the interval 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Okay, so that interval we will identify. Less than 70 means 60 to 70 interval we will identify. After that we will find the frequency. For example, 20 to 30, so 13 minus 10, 30 to 40, 18 minus 13, 25 minus 18, 25 minus 20, 35 minus 25, and 40 minus 35. Okay, see simply here. Okay, very easy. That is what number of person. See, less than 20 means 0 to 20, 10 persons are there. Then 20 to 30, 3 persons are there. 30 to 40, 5 persons are there. 40 to 50, 40 to 50, 25 minus 18, 7 persons are there. Okay, very easy. Okay, and 60 to 70, 6 persons. Okay, now what we identify? We have to find the frequency density for 30 to 40. So for that purpose we have to identify the frequency density. What is the frequency density? See, frequency density is nothing but the frequency upon width. What is the frequency given? Frequency is 5 here for the interval 30 to 40. What is the width? Width means the upper level, upper minus lower, upper frequency minus lower frequency. So 40 minus 30. So 5 upon 10. So answer will be 0.5. Okay, very easy, right? So second option is correct, 0.5. Okay, here it will be 0.5. See next question. The arithmetic mean and the geometric mean of a two number is 6.5 and 6 respectively. Find the number. So very easy. We have to find the arithmetic mean and geometric mean. What do you mean by arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean means simply what? The average, right? Arithmetic means simply the average. For example, say I will tell you how to identify easily. A plus B upon 2 is equal to arithmetic mean. Take for 6, 4 and 9. 4 plus 9 is what? It is the 13 upon 2, 6.5. So it is matching, right? Next, what is geometric means? Under root of A into B is equal to what? The geometric mean. Okay, so under root of 4, just trial and error method. 4 into 9 is equal to what? Under root of 36 is equal to 6. So it is matching, right? So 6 is here, 6.5 is here. So we can easily say 4 and 9 is the correct option. You see, always try the arithmetic mean and the geometric mean question by the way of a trial and error method. Okay, so what is arithmetic mean? Is equal to A plus B if A and B are two numbers divided by 2. What is geometric mean? It is the under root of A into B. Okay, you can just use trial and error method. If you have to go by solution is here for you. Okay, but I recommend for trial and error method. See next question. If the median of a 7, 11, 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1, so these are the number. For that median is given 18, then we have to find the value of x. So what is the median? First understand. Median means what? The middle value. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are there. Okay. So what is the middle value? I will tell you directly. See. So leave that 2, leave that 2, leave that 2. So middle value will lie here. Middle value will lie here. Okay, so we have to find the middle values. What will be the middle value? See, 2x minus 1, plus 2x plus 1 upon 2 will be the middle value. It is given as 18, right? So 4x will be 36 and x will be 9, right? So correct option is 9. Very easy, right? Without a formula. If you know the concept, what is the median? Median is the middle value, right? So in that way you can easily solve it. Okay. For a solution, if you need, you can check out here. Okay. Okay. Now see, study the following table and answer the following question. Okay. So they have given the table. Okay. Age and number of person into that age. Okay. Mode of observation they have. We have to find the mode. Okay. Is important and long and lengthy question. Remember, we have to identify. We have to calculate the mode. Okay. So see, first we will draw the interval. More than 0 means and more than 100 means 0 to 100, 51 minus 48. Like that we have drawn all the number of person in that particular age group. That is, this is, we call it as frequency, we call it as an interval. Okay. And more than 500, simply 500 to see, you can easily come to see 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Next will be 600 automatically. That's why you can easily gauge 500 to 600. That much capacity you should have, right? So accordingly, we have done the intervals and we have calculated the frequency also. Now we have to find the mode. Now see, what is the highest frequency here? Highest frequency is 12. So corresponding to the highest frequency, the interval we have to select. So that will be your mode class. That will be your mode class. So 200 to 300 will be your mode class. That is corresponding to the highest frequency. Okay. Now see, what is the formula we are having? L1 plus L2 minus L1 into F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2. So this is the formula we are having for calculation of the mode. Okay. Now what is L1 here? See, always remember, L1 here is the lower limit of mode class. So this is the mode class. So L1 will be 200. What is then L2? L2 is the highest. L2 is the what? It is the L2 is what? The highest limit. L2 is the highest limit. L1 is the lowest limit. Okay. Now see, what is F, F0 and F1? See, F1 is the frequency of a model class. So frequency F1 will be 12, corresponding frequency. F0 is the frequency of a previous, that is 11, and F2 will be frequency of a next. Okay, just simply put the value. What is L1? L1 is a 200. L1 means what? The lower frequency L1 of a mode class. Then L2 will be the L2 minus L1 means the gap 200 minus 300. That is L2 will be 300. L1 will be 200. Very easy, right? The gap will be 100 here. Then F1 minus F0. What is F1? F1 is the frequency of the mode. So 12. F1 is the lowest frequency. Okay, F1 is the frequency here. F0 means previous frequency. Okay, so 12 minus 11 upon 2 minus F1 minus F0 minus F2. Okay, always remember here. I repeat, F0 is the, see, he always remember here. One important thing you should remember. See, F0 is the frequency of previous class. F0 here will be F1 is the frequency of mode class, and here is F2. Okay, in that way sequence you remember. This is our mode class. Okay, so this is the F1, previous is F0, next is F2. Okay, in that way you remember. Okay, this will be lower value L1, this will be lower value, upper value L2. Okay, in that way simply put the value in the formula, you will get 214.29, which is third option as a correct, which is the mode of your distribution. Okay, so this question you need to practice yourself also. Well, see, the median of first 20 prime number we have to find. So median means simply the middle value. So to find the first 20 prime number, you should know, right? So see, these are the first 20 prime number. Prime number means which are not divisible, and these are always start with 2. Okay, so we have to find the first 20. Okay, these are 20. So middle value we have to identify. Okay, so see, these are even number. Okay, so you can leave 10 this side and 10 this side. Okay, easily you can easily do this. So 10 this side and 10 this side. So middle value you have to identify. So what is the middle of 29 and 31? So 29 and 31, middle value is 30. Okay, so you can orally say 30 is answer. If you have to solve, the formula is n plus 1 upon 2. What is n? N means what? The number of here the n plus 1 upon 2 value you have to find. 2th value, n plus 1. So n means 20 numbers are there, 21 by 2. Okay, so 10.5th number you have to find. So these are 10 and 10.5 is here. Okay, this middle value you have to identify. Okay, so simply you can easily get it. Okay, simply, so do one thing. Median means what? Middle value, simply. Okay, see, the frequency of distribution for a variate x is given below. Okay, percentage relative frequency for x is equal to 5, we have to identify. Okay, very easy. See, they have given x value and the corresponding frequency also. Now, what will be the total frequency? 2 plus 7 plus 14 plus 22 plus 30. So, 75 will be the total frequency. What they are asking? The relative frequency. Relative frequency with respect to 5. So, 5 upon 75. So, you will get what? Here you will get 1 by 15. That means what? 1 by 15, right? So, you will get here the 0.29. Okay. So, when see here total will be 75. So, x is equal to 5, the frequency is 22. So, 22 upon total frequency 75, you will get 0.29. Okay. So, this is the your relative frequency. If they are asking about percentage, simply 29% multiplied by 100. Okay, very easy. Next, the cumulative frequency distribution is given below. The respective class boundary with the maximum frequency. So, it is important. See, this is a lengthy question. We have to identify the class boundaries. Okay. Now, see the solution part. This is the given data. Now, see the solution part here. See, the class they have given and the class boundary which we have to find. Okay. And the cumulative frequency they have given and the respective frequency we have to find. Okay. Now, how to find the class and the class boundary from the class? Okay, remember, see here, first class only I will tell you. Okay, see, for this class we have to find the class boundary. So, for upper class boundary we always take the highest value. So, upper class will be means next value to 32, right? Obviously, right? So, 32 plus 33 minus 32 upon 2. So, how you can get? See, we are having this class. Okay, so we have to find upper value, means obviously next to this. Okay, so 32 plus, then we have to find the difference of these two value, 33 minus 32 divided by 2. Okay, so it will be 32.5, which is upper class. Now we have to find the lower class value. Okay, now to find the lower class value for this same, so it will be obviously less than this lower class. Upper class will be more than this lower and lower will be less than this. So, 30 minus same 33 minus 32 upon 2. Okay, so it will be 29.5. Okay, so in that way you have to identify for each class. Okay, so each class we have identified the boundary and the cumulative frequency is given. Now, for cumulative frequency we can derive the frequency. Okay, how? See, for 5 we will take it as a 5. Okay, now for next 12 minus 5 7, 20 minus 12 8, 33 minus 20 30, 42 minus 33 9. Okay, in that we can find the frequency. Now, for a highest frequency, for the highest frequency, what is highest frequency here? Here 8 is 9 is the highest frequency, 8 is the highest frequency. What they are asking, the boundary with the maximum frequency. Where is the highest frequency? 13 is the highest frequency, right? So, with respect to that, what is the boundary? 38.5 and 41.5. So, correct option will be second. Okay, so in that way you have to solve in the examination. Harmonic mean of 5 and 2 we have to find. Okay, harmonic mean of 5 and 2. Okay, so what do you mean by the harmonic mean? See, harmonic mean is nothing but the n upon 1 upon first value plus 1 upon second value. Okay, x1 and x2 we can take because two numbers are given only. Okay, so how many values are there? Do upon 1 upon 1 plus 5 plus 1 upon 1 upon 2. Okay, because 5 and 2 are given. Okay, simply put the value. Okay, 2 upon, here it will be 7 upon 10. It will be 20 upon 7. So, it will be 2.85. Okay, so correct option will be third. Very easy. Okay, remember the formula only for the harmonic mean. See, harmonic mean of 60 and x is 48, find x. Now, 48 is given. Okay, and harmonic mean 48 is given, which is for the two values 2. That's why 2 upon 1 upon 60 plus 1 upon x. Simply solve it. Okay, so simply 48 into bracket 1 plus x upon 60x. Okay, is equal to 2. Okay, so 2 divide it, it will be 2 and 4. Okay, simply solve. 24 plus 24x is will equal to 60x. So 24 it will be 60 minus 24. It will be what? You simply check out here. Okay. So and you will get x will be 40. Simply solve it, very easy. Okay, simple calculations are that. Okay, you solve yourself. Okay, solution I will not explain you. Very easy. You know the formula and method, you solve it. The sum of the deviation from the mean is, so always remember the sum of deviation from mean is always 0. Okay, so for example I will tell you, see 1 2 3, what is the mean here? Mean means the average. Okay, so 6 by 3, average will be 2. Okay, now sum of deviation, now check the deviation. It is dividing by 1, it is dividing by 1, so sum of deviation is 2, 1 plus 1 2 minus this 2, always 0. Okay, very easy. So always remember sum of the deviation from the mean is nothing but the always equal to 0. Okay, so friends, here we will stop. You can subscribe us on the YouTube, download our application from the Play Store, link is given into description, and you can join our Telegram group for the discussion purpose. Thank you friends.